What's up guys, Jesse here with 6Speed Media, and today I'm going to be going over how to get your lock cylinder out of your C5 or C6 glove box latch for your Corvette. So if you look on the side right here, you're going to see a little square. Well, if you take this and you insert your key and you rotate it, you can see that little tab right there. Well, that little tab is got to be depressed, and then you can turn this thing all the way around, just like so, and then zoom back out, it comes right out. To reinstall, you simply put it back in, you rotate back around, and now it's locked in place. So guys, I hope that helped you on how to remove and reinstall your lock cylinder for your glove box latch. Mine, the handle snapped clean off on, so had to get a new one, and hope this helped y'all. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care.